Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch, SKMEI 1335. And yes, I mistakenly called it 1355 in my review, so sorry about that. Okay, there are 4 buttons, light button on the top left, and then mode button on the lower left. And then this one is the start button on the top right, and then this one is the reset or adjust button on the lower right. Okay, you can change the mode using the lower left button, this one. And yes, when it enters the time mode or timekeeping mode, it will make a high pitch beeping sound. And then next, you can change the time format for the time mode using the top right button. So this one is the 12-hour format, and this one is the 24-hour format. Okay, you can activate the backlight, of course, using the top left button, this one. Okay, and then next, you can activate the LCD check using the start, mode, and reset. So this one, start, mode, and reset. And to do that, you might want to hold the watch in this position and then use the start button first, press first, and then the other two after that quickly. So like this, and you will get the LCD check screen. Okay, yes, you can check if the LCD is okay, are there any segment error, and so on. Okay, next we will set the time and date, and to do that from this time mode, you can press and hold the reset button or the adjust button on the lower right, this one. Press and hold. Okay, now start with the second. For the second, you can reset using the top right button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, like this. If it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay. And then next, press the mode button on the lower left, this one. And we can now set the hour. For the hour, you can use the top right button to cycle the value. So this one 14 and then 15 and so on. So actually there is no button to move down, but you can move up and it will cycle after 23, 24, 0 and so on. So let me set as, let's say, 14. Okay, and then next press the mode button on the lower left, this one, and then we can set the minute using the top right button. So the same thing, to cycle the value, press and hold to speed up the process. Let me set as 45. So press and hold until near the value that we want. Okay, wait. Okay, and then one by one. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now we can set the year. Also the same thing. Press the top right button to cycle the value. And if it is already passing the number or the value that you want, you can press and hold until 2099, and then it will cycle back to 2000. Okay, please wait. 2080, 90, 99, and then 2000. And let me set to 2026. Okay, press the mode button, and now is the month. Also the same thing, you can use the top right button. So let me set as 5. Press the mode button, and now is the date. Also the top right button. Let me set as 14. Okay, wait. Yes. Okay, press the mode button, and now back to the setting of the second. And if you're done with the settings for the time and date, you can press the lower right button. Okay, anyway, this watch looks like an AE 1200, but for the functions, it is more similar like the AE 1500, but with only one alarm. So if that makes it easy to understand. Okay, next, let's move on to the next mode, the alarm. So press the mode button once. We get AL here, meaning this one is for the alarm. The alarm is multifunction alarm. You can set the time and also the month and date. But for this tutorial, I will show you how to set as daily alarm. So meaning we will not set the month and date, we will set them as blank. To set the alarm, you can start by press and hold the lower right button, this one. until the hour is flashing or blinking like this. And now we can set the hour using the top right button. You can use the top right button to cycle the value. So let me set as, let's say 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then next you can press the lower left button, the mode button, and then we can set the minute using the top right button. So let me set as 4:30. Press and hold if you want to speed up, and then press one by one. Okay, and then if you press the mode button, now it shows the month. You can set the month if you want, but in this tutorial we will set it as blank. So if you press the top right button, it will cycle 1, 2, 3 and so on. And then after 12, it will become blank like this. And then press the mode button, and if you want to set the date, also the same thing. But in this tutorial I will set it as blank so we can have a daily alarm. Wait, okay, 31 and then blank. And then press the mode button, and now back to the setting of the hour. If you're done with the settings, you can press the lower right button and done. The alarm is set for 4:30 active, this one ALM. And then next you can cycle through the options. So this one only the alarm active, and then press the lower right button, only press, not press and hold, so like this. And now alarm and snooze, so the snooze function is active. And then press, now both are not active, so you can choose whichever you want as alarm and snooze, or off. Okay, let me now set as alarm with snooze. Okay, that's all for the alarm. Next is the signal. For the signal, you can press the top right button from this position, so nothing is flashing or blinking on the display, and it shows 00. This one is the signal. And to activate the signal, you can press the lower right button. So this one SIG, meaning the signal is active, and this one is not active. So yes, when you enter the alarm mode, you can use the top right button to cycle through the options for which to set. So this one is the signal, and this one is the alarm. Okay, now next let's move on to the next mode, the stopwatch. Press the mode button. And then we have this one, ST stopwatch. For the stopwatch, you can start and stop using the upper right button. So this one start, and then pause, continue, pause and reset using the lower right button. Okay. You can also do the split time. Use the top right button to start, and then the lower right button to get the split time. Okay. Press it again to unfreeze. Press again to get split time. Press again to unfreeze, and then you can stop using the top right button and reset using the lower right button. Okay, that's all for the stopwatch. You can try by yourself. And then the next one is for the dual time. Press the mode button, DT dual time. For this one, you can set the hour and minute, but the second will follow the main time or the timekeeping mode. So for this one, you can set using the lower right button, press and hold until it shows like this, the hour is flashing or blinking, and then you can cycle the value using the top right button. So let me set as 22. Okay, and then next press the mode button, and we can now set the minute. Also use the top right button to change the value. Let me set as, let's say 47. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now back to the hour. And then you can use the reset button or the lower right button to exit from the adjustment, and done for the dual time. And for this one, you cannot set the time format. It will follow the main time format. Okay, the last one, press the mode button and we get to the timer mode. For the timer, you can set the length by press and hold the lower right button. So now we get this one, the hour. You can change the hour using the top right button, but this one is, yes, cycling through, so you can only increase, but to decrease you will need to get to 24 or 0. Okay, let me set as 0 for this one. 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now we can set the minute. Also the same thing, use the top right button to change the value. something like this. Okay, and next, if you press the mode button, it will back to the hour, and you can then press the reset button on the lower right to exit from the adjust mode for the timer. And yes, this watch has no auto repeat for the timer. Next, to start the timer, you can use the top right button, but anyway it will not make beeping sound for the start, pause, continue, stop or pause, and then reset. So yes, that's a little bit strange and unusual. And yes, you need to take a look at the display, and if it is already changing the number, then the timer is running. Okay, pause, continue, pause, reset, something like that. You can try by yourself. Okay, now press the mode button and we're back to the time mode. And thank you for watching. I have explained most of the functions on this watch. And if you have any questions about the setting and operation of this watch, please put in the comment below. Or if you have any tips, please share it. And yes, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.